Good evening to you. Thunderstorms continue to roll through the northeastern half of the area. Now Jackson County, Atchison County, southern Brown County seeing those thunderstorms. We're also looking at what we call an outflow boundary that is coming out of this. It's the push of the wind that comes down. It's in northern Shawnee County over to about St. Mary's and follows 24 out toward Wamego. I don't think it's going to make a lot more southern progression, nor do I think at this point these storms, they've kind of halted moving southward, and now they're starting to drift to the east. And so we may not get this filling in all the way down toward Topeka. However, it is moving out of an area that has seen a lot of rain. You can see from the scale up here how much of 4 to 6 inches or higher in some spots that we've been able to click on here, indicating perhaps as much as a foot of rain has fallen. Got a lot of reports of significant flooding coming in out of southern Nemaha County. The creek's running high. We've even had reports in parts of Brown County. They're actually blading water with the like snow plowing, but blading it off of the highways just to try to clear some of the water off of the roads. Very dangerous situation. We've got flash flood warnings in effect for all of these counties up north, Brown, Nemaha, as well as Marshall County. Flood warning for Marshall County until 11:15, 11:30 farther to the east. There's also river flood warnings as the rivers are rising. And then we've got more storms in the forecast. We're in a moderate risk area throughout central Kansas into our western counties from Marysville to Junction City westward. Tomorrow, slight risk for everyone else, so we're all in the risk area for Wednesday. Hail, high winds, tornado threats once again. Looking at some of the photos today from Facebook, this one, again, that's the photo of the large tornado that formed out in the Bennington area of Ottawa County. There's the view of the tornado when it was near Corning. That was the one that just came almost into town, fortunately did not, and there's that view of it almost coming into Bennington. And again, fortunately, just stopped just west. Unbelievable. We had two towns so close to being just rammed in by that large tornado on both of those, and they stopped just in time to spare both Corning and Bennington. You see the lightning flashing behind me on this Spring Creek Golf Course Seneca cam, looking down at that complex of storms over the Holton area now. Around Emporia, mostly cloudy. It's 78 and mostly cloudy in Topeka. The winds out of the south at 16 miles per hour. Still muggy air that's in place with temperatures area-wide primarily into the 70s, although rain-cooled 60s up to the north. And that's where the humidity levels have dropped back just a little bit because of that rain. Everywhere else, the dew points are in the 60s, upper 60s, and that boundary I talked about at just the beginning of this, as I said, is coming into northern Shawnee County, becomes an important feature for tomorrow because those boundaries can see thunderstorms initiate along them. That's what we had to the northwest today. Tomorrow morning, scattered clouds. Thunderstorms may start to build up during the late afternoon to the west, moving in toward our area, I think more toward the evening and overnight hours on Wednesday, and scattered thunderstorms even into Thursday as well. Here's a look at the forecast for the next 7 days. Each day is kind of hinged on what happens the day before on exact locations, but we have several opportunities round after round as the pattern's not changing much. Gradually, the whole system slides a little bit farther to the south and southeast toward either late Friday or certainly by the weekend, and will decrease those rain chances as some cooler air moves in. Very pleasant weather by the weekend, but additional rounds of severe weather each day for the remainder of the week. Look at those mammatus clouds that formed in these impressive thunderstorms in the Hollis area from Angela Koppel, also from Baileyville, Penny Hazenkamp, some of the storm clouds there. There's the tornado near Bennington from our Storm Track team number 4 with Dylan Cloran, team number 5 on that one. That's Lacey Stevens from the Belleville area sent in from yesterday's storms there. And there's Kyle Soldani and team number 3 in the Bennington area earlier, and the Sunset and Home City from Lisa Rover. So, all these storms, they blossomed up. Fortunately, the damage could have been a lot worse, and I think we fared about as good as we could in this kind of a situation.
As you said, we're just stuck in that pattern of that very active weather.
All the way through perhaps as late as Friday, maybe even Saturday for some southern counties.
Thanks so much.